भारत में हर साल 16 मई को राष्ट्रीय डेंगू दिवस मनाया जाता है। इस साल इस दिवस का विषय शीघ्र कार्रवाई करें, डेंगू को रोके, स्वच्छ वातावरण, स्वस्थ जीवन रखा गया है। यह दिन देश भर में डेंगू बुखार के प्रति जागरूकता फैलाने, इससे बचाव के उपायों को बढ़ावा देने और समय पर उपचार के महत्व को बताने के उद्देश्य से मनाया जाता है। प्रशासन के स्वास्थ्य सेवा निदेशालय तथा केंद्र शासित स्वास्थ्य मिशन के संयुक्त तत्वाधान में कल राष्ट्रीय डेंगू दिवस मनाया जाएगा। राष्ट्रीय डेंगू दिवस के सिलसिले में श्री विजयपुरम के ICMR RMRC के निदेशक डॉक्टर अपरूप दास तथा वैज्ञानिक डॉक्टर IP सुनीश ने दूरदर्शन से खास बातचीत की।
जैसे कि आप लोगों को पता है कि डेंगू एक वायरल डिजीज़ है और ये एक वायरस जो है मच्छर के द्वारा एक इंसान से दूसरे इंसान में फैलता है। हमें अगर डेंगू का कंट्रोल करना है तो हमें इस वायरस के ट्रांसमिशन को हमें रोकना होगा और ये वायरस के ट्रांसमिशन को रोकने के लिए जो हम पीड़ित होते हैं हम ही लोग ही उसको ट्रांसमिशन को रोकना। और सबसे ये इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है कि डेंगू के जो मच्छर है जिसको एडिस मच्छर बोलते हैं वो रात को नहीं काटता है मच्छर, वो दिन में ही काटता है। तो दिन में हम लोग जब स्कूल में होते हैं या तो ऑफिस में होते हैं या तो कहीं भी होते हैं तो हमें ये लेना पड़ेगा कि हमें दिन में जैसे मच्छर ना काटें। ये अगर हम कर सकते हैं तो डेंगू बहुत मात्रा में हमारे एरिया से विलुप्त हो सकता है।
So Aedes mosquitoes are the main mosquitoes which are responsible for transmitting dengue viruses. So these mosquitoes, they mainly breed or the larvae can be found in a small containers, discarded containers, especially during the monsoon and post-monsoon season. Abhi this Andaman Nicobar Islands may we have a long period of monsoon, and so we have to be very careful that these discarded containers, especially flower pots and other small containers which has been discarded in the park or in the house premises has to be seen, and no water should stagnate in these, because even 5 ml of water or even less than that is enough for the mosquitoes to lay the eggs. So it is very important that when we are discarding any containers after our use, so it should be properly discarded. This is a main problem in Andaman Nicobar Islands, especially we can see in the beaches and other tourist spots where these discarded containers are present. Second important aspect habitat is the coconut shells and unused tires, discarded tires. So these also has to be taken into consideration, especially in the workshops or in the other establishments where these tires have been heaped up, and the rainy season will make the water stagnate in these water tires. So these workshop people also has to be taken into consideration, and they should see that there is no water logging inside these tires or in the coconut shells, which can prevent the mosquito laying of these Aedes mosquitoes. And another thing regarding the biting of these mosquitoes, these are biting only during the daytime, and very important aspect is that because it is biting in the daytime, they have multiple feeding during one feeding itself. So many people they feed, the blood will be taken from many people at a single time. So which is the reason why this virus is transmitted to different people at very short period of time. So during the daytime, especially in schools and offices, there should be a protective measures, especially the using repellent or creams, especially in the monsoon season where dengue transmission is very high. So these are the aspects which we have to consider in Andaman Nicobar Islands, especially because of the long monsoon period which we are seeing here compared to the mainland area where they have a very short period. So there is a possibility that dengue transmission can continue further during wet season. So this has to be taken into consideration. And this month, which is a dengue month, we are going to celebrate, organize in the June. So that is the month where more awareness campaigns should be carried out. Mostly in the offices, the head of the office should be able to tell the other workers that these preventive measures should be taken. Secondly, in those schools, the headmasters as well as the teachers, they have the responsibility to tell to their students what preventive measures they should take in order to prevent dengue outbreak or dengue infection to them. because once the dengue comes, there is no proper treatment, medicines are available, it is only supportive treatment. So that is the main reason why most of the people, when they are not detected in the early stage, they get hospitalized and some deaths also can occur. So this is very serious concern, especially with respect to dengue in Andaman Nicobar Islands, because for the past few years we are getting more number of cases occasionally, and we are getting frequent outbreaks also. So Andaman Nicobar Islands, especially in Port Blair area, we have to really give a preventive steps, preventive measures to prevent the biting of these Aedes mosquitoes.